because you're new. You're broke because the system you're building inside was never designed to make you profitable. And most travel advisors don't even realize that. They just keep working harder, hustling, posting more, looking for new tools, trying to make a broken model behave. That's why we're talking about this, because if you don't rebuild the foundation, no strategy you layer on top will work long term. Let's start with what's actually happening behind the scenes. Most advisors are taught how to book trips, but not how to build a business. You're handed supplier trainings, commission portals, even perks, but you're never handed a model that protects your time or prioritizes your income. So here's what happens. You get a lead, you have a consult, you do the research, you put together a trip, and the client disappears. Or worse, they book and you get commission 3 months later and it's $182.73. You did hours of work. You held their hand the entire way and you got paid like an afterthought. That's not your fault. That's the model. And if you don't name that clearly, you keep blaming ourselves for why the money isn't adding up. So let's name it. The commission model is not a business model. It's a revenue stream, but it's not the plan. And if it's your only plan, then you're going to keep doing $2,000 worth of labor for $200 checks. Now let's go deeper, because the real issue isn't just the money, it's the power structure. When you rely on commissions, your income is controlled by people who are not you. The supplier decides what you get paid. The client decides if they follow through. And you, the actual advisor doing the real work, you get paid last. That's a system. And systems always produce what they're built for. This one happens to be built to keep you booking, not building, not growing, not leading, just booking. But you're not just here to book trips. You're here to run a travel business. So let's talk about what that actually looks like. 3 things have to shift if you want to fix your income. And none of them require more social media, more followers, or more content. Number 1, you have to charge for your time. Not just when you feel confident, not just once you have more experience. Now, if your process includes consults, planning, research, follow-up, and post-booking support, that's a service. And that service gets paid. Number 2, you need a real offer. Not just I help people book travel. That's a transaction. Your offer is the experience you provide, the way you simplify, protect, and elevate your client's journey. That's where the value is. And that's what should be priced accordingly. Number 3, you need structure. Most advisors are out here guessing what to charge, how to invoice, what to include, where to draw the line. There's no clarity, which means there's no confidence. And here's the quiet truth most people don't say. If you're unclear, your clients feel it. And unclear people don't buy. And not because you're not good at what you do, but because no one buys confusion. So here's what I want you to hear. You're not unqualified, you're just unstructured. And that's fixable. You don't need a new platform. You don't need more perks. You need a model that puts you back in control. That means you decide how you get paid. You decide what your process includes. You decide what boundaries protect your time. And you stop building your business around what if they book. This is where most advisors get stuck, because charging a fee feels scary, because setting terms feels risky, because saying no to just one quick quote feels uncomfortable. But let me offer you this. You can't scale a business that makes you resent your inbox. You can't sustain a model that only rewards you when other people come through. And you can't stay in the game if the game keeps burning you out. Something has to give, and it shouldn't be your time. It shouldn't be your peace, and it shouldn't be your bank account. And here's the real flip. Most advisors think that the solution is more clients. It's not. The solution is a better business model, one that pays you early, protects your energy, and creates space for you to actually grow. And that's what we walk through the TLC challenge. It's just $1 to join. And inside, I'll help you build a real foundation, one that doesn't rely on constant booking to feel like progress. We get clear on your offer, we get real about your pricing, and we map a simple structure that gives you breathing room. It's not about hustling harder. It's about building smarter so you can finally stop surviving the business and start leading it. If you're ready for that shift, join me inside the $1 TLC challenge. Let's stop chasing income. Let's build it. You weren't just looking for tips. You were looking for a better way to build. If that's real for you, the 3-day TLC challenge will reset your whole approach. We go beyond content. We build the business model most advisors were never shown. Click the link below and come join us. This isn't training. It's a blueprint. See you inside.